Yo, so as y'all can see, we changing the full exhaust system on my R6 Yamaha 2007. They sent me this one, but I got the Yashamaro on the other side, so I don't really need it. But nice little slip on. So I ain't gonna do too much talking because I gotta get to work and get this shit done. So we're gonna start with getting these fairings off, and then I'm gonna go with unattaching the old exhaust system, which is definitely kind of, yeah, you're gonna see what the POV would look like. But we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get this assembled, and yeah, we'll get started. So this ain't what Kaizen skirt, man. We're getting busy, bro. Let's do it. So got all the fairings off. Now I'm about to get y'all to see more with this POV as well. What exactly is going on down here? I'm gonna move this camera over here. So this has been hanging on by a thread. Actually, need to get this off of here. I'm gonna do that too. So my O2 center is hanging pretty bad. This is my slip off here. I'm gonna be needing to disconnect these screws, 2 on each, all the way across, and the rest of this detached. Real niggas, I'm a real niggas. My back against the wall like Lieutenant, I'm a clutch. Something came from Cabo, got these hoes just wanna fuck me. I just want the money, I don't really need the love. I just want the money, it's too hard to do the love. I just want the money, you can keep all of the love. Alright, as I can see, yeah, it was time for it. Now I gotta tackle the other side, as you can see. Number 2. As y'all can see, I got all of them off, but these bolts and these lug nuts are rusted, so I'm gonna WD-40 them. And then I need to disconnect my O2 sensor from this part. Yo, same with Kaizen skirt, man. I'm about to put this full exhaust system on my bike, my Yamaha R6, but it is late. I just had 2 basketball games today. I'm so tired, but I gotta do it because I need my bike back. I finally got the exhaust gaskets in, so I could finally finish the job. But last time I got done, and a video told me that I could reuse the ones, and the ones they told me I could reuse, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if y'all could tell, but POV, fuck no. I wasn't reusing them. So we got the full exhaust system right here, man. I gotta put it together like a puzzle piece. We're gonna put some of this NTCs inside the pipe so they can get a little more lubricant and slide in a little bit easier. But we'll connect the dots, man. They lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4, 2. Okay, yeah, they not like that. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got the rest of it. So and then we finna get started, so I can get this on the bike. This shit coming out dumb slow. I gotta poke a beer. Hold on, this. There we go. This is stank. We're gonna get them right there. Go ahead and fit that one in. These might have to come in. Why that worried me a little bit, I don't know. I'm gonna do this a little more text down. Little technique, man. Alright. So we're gonna get number 1 on. Two. Yeah, nice motherfucker. Slide right in there. So they got these numbered, right? But they middle ones is thrown. Number 4 says here. Told y'all it's like a puzzle, man. Puzzle I had to solve, though, man. Puzzle I had to solve, though, man. You hear me? So that's looking pretty good. Y'all see that shit, bro? I guess that's what they meant by ordering the exhaust off eBay and it not being the right size. Well, I guess this is a video of itself where we just got an exhaust and it's not the right size. Y'all tell me what I'm missing. And I gotta make this short. Well, we're gonna wrap this video up here. I'm gonna go talk to the guy that had me get this exhaust from eBay. Send me the link. And yeah, man, we got to start over again. Looks nice, looks pretty, but how'd that work from that, man? Yo, so I had to put on each piece separately, piece by piece, and I actually need to fix that because I had to take that from another fairing and I never replaced it. The heat shit that you're supposed to put, the heat shield. But yeah, so I had to put each one of these on one by one and then kind of like rig them all together to where like it was definitely a headache. And then when I got to the exhaust part, this did not connect with this because it was basically angled the wrong way. So I had to take this to the shop. Shout out Opie. And I didn't get the O2 sensor back in, so I got it plugged because I'm worried about getting that extension or getting it cut. So we haven't got there yet. But as y'all can see, I did my whole full exhaust in there. Yo, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out.